Greetings, friends. Watch refrigeration news for Monday, July 4, 2022 on our channel. Daikin launches the new Altherma 3M in small capacities. Kaltra's new screw chillers installing at pharmaceutical plant and product storage area in Tehran. Here present the Encyclopedia of Refrigeration. Refrigerants market, global forecast to 2027. So, first news today. Daikin launches the new Altherma 3M in small capacities. Daikin Europe has launched its new Daikin Altherma 3M heat pump, available in small capacities for smaller homes. The heat pump, previously launched in classes ranging from 9 kilowatts to 16 kilowatts, is now available in 3 smaller classes, 4 to 6 to 8 kilowatts. Thanks to its consistent compactness, functional design and strength and performance, it is perfectly suitable for smaller dwellings. The new heat pump now completes Daikin's R32 monoblock range. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. Kaltra's new screw chillers installing at pharmaceutical plant and product storage area in Tehran. Dangerously high summer temperatures, highlands above 1,800 meters, sandstorms and year-round operations are conditions under which the new cooling system that includes 2 Kaltra chillers should reliable function, supplying chilled water to the pharmaceutical plant and product storage area in Tehran. Kaltra has experience installing numerous chilled water systems in such harsh conditions and equipment to cope with them, equipped with high-temperature kits, protection and shielding features. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. Here present the Encyclopedia of Refrigeration. The year's Encyclopedia of Refrigeration brings together a set of synthetic articles on refrigeration technologies and applications. Rather than comprehensively covering a topic, they have been prepared with the objective of providing the main information, while referring the reader to various sources of additional information to go deeper into the subject, to FRIDOC in particular. For easy access to its quality resources, the content of the encyclopedia is classified by year themes, such as refrigerants and secondary refrigerants, refrigerated storage, heat pumps, energy recovery, general information on refrigeration, energy and environment. Visitors will find 2 types of content in the encyclopedia. Key figures. The key figures are presented as tables, statistical diagrams and graphs which have been created using data from renowned reference sources such as UNEPRIDIC, UNFCCC, GCCA, EGU, etc. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. Refrigerants market, global forecast to 2027. The refrigerants market is projected to reach $8.4 billion by 2027, at a CAGR of 6.2% from $6.2 billion in 2022. The major drivers for this market are the increasing demand for consumer appliances such as refrigeration and air conditioning equipment and the growing cold chain market. Factors such as growth in the organized retail framework, a shift toward horticultural crops, and growth in the processed food sector have also contributed to the demand for refrigerants. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Follow refrigeration news on social networks. Please find the links below.